Hey guys, welcome back. So I've got this tremendous box that Modelones was so kind and sent over to me. It's got a whole bunch of stuff in here, including dips and gels, and we're gonna play with some fun stuff today. I can't believe I'm saying this, but up until now, I have never used Modelones dip products before. You guys know I used to rave about their top coats, still use them, still love them, and I am gonna use some of them today. But I also have these gorgeous gels they sent over. They did send over some Azure, I think I'm saying that right, dip powders also. I'm going to do that in a separate video. I know they are actually pretty highly rated on Amazon, although I haven't tried them yet. So, and that's I think a sister or affiliate company of Modelones. So I will get into some swatching of the gels. I'll do it off camera. I'll just go through all the colors with you that I got. I will be leaving everything linked in the description box, including an affiliate link. Yes, they did put me on commission, so if you want to use my link and my discount code, I will make a small commission on it, and thank you if you do. So these are the Azure dips that I got. Again, you'll see that in an upcoming video, but for now, I'm going to get into this. This is one of my favorite manis, y'all, and as you can see, I did go ahead and put tips on, and I'm going to be doing a whole build up, and I'm using their dip liquids and their dip powders and some of the gel polish. It's going to be an all-inclusive video for you guys today. I really wanted you to see how you can use all these products together, and that's what we're going to do. So these are the colors that they sent over for me. They're absolutely beautiful. If you guys hear a little rumbling, I feel like I'm about to get hit with a significant thunderstorm, so if you hear something, that's probably what it is. Yeah, so anyway, back to gels. I'm just going to go through all these colors here so you can have an idea of what looks like what. I think they are all individually available on their website. Again, everything will be in the box for you guys, so I'm super excited. This is my first time playing with Modelones dip powder. I have heard you guys rave about this stuff. I also have their new liquids. Oh, and also I should mention that this is a giveaway. So oddly enough, I did order from Amazon a Modelones little dip kit. Not same exact, a little bit different, but same size kit. Right before they reached out to me. So I have one that I'm going to demo for you today, and one is going to be for a giveaway. So if you would like to win this Modelones dip kit, and trust me when I tell you, you do, they're good. Giveaway is going to be as it usually is. I'll leave deets in the box, but be subscribed, like the video, comment down below, best way to reach you, and I'll pick a winner in a few days, and you'll win a Modelones dip kit. So I'm going to go ahead and get my peel off base coat on. If you guys want to see how I did my extensions, comment down below and let me know, and I'll get that video on for you here coming up. But I am using peel off base coat over my extensions so I don't have to soak off my extensions. But I really did love the way the set came out. You'll have to let me know what you think. So this is everything that comes in the dip kit. I will leave the link for it on Amazon and for Modelones. I'm not sure which one is less expensive, but I'll leave them both for you down there. It comes with 6 dip colors, the dip liquids, a file, a little fluffy brush. It's pretty much everything you need. Sans like, an orange wood stick, which isn't really necessary, but that's my personal preference. It also did come with a replacement brushes and some instructions for you guys. These are the new professional, you have air quotes, dip liquids, and I'll be using those in today's video for no reason other than I don't really do well with these small little bottles of liquids. Y'all know I'm Hot Mess Marla. They're gonna get knocked over and the show's gonna be over. So I'm gonna use the bigger bottles. So these are the colors. I have visions in my head of doing like a fall-ish kind of look and then using the gel polish as an accent. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna tell you all my thoughts, everything, and you're gonna see the whole thing start to finish. I promise to not hold you hostage for too long. These liquids also came in their own package with a file and replacement brushes. It must be the barometer. The barometer? Yeah, the barometer dropping or something. You know what I'm saying? It's the weather. It's getting to my brain. So I'm going to go through. I'm not going to use their dip top coat. and hopefully I won't need to use the brush saver. So I'm only going to use the activator and the dip base, and then I'm going to use my Modelones No Wipe Gel top coat later. So you're only going to see me use 2 out of the 4 liquids. I will keep you guys posted on the top coat, even though you know I'm not a dip top coat kind of girl, but I will play with it and figure it all out. This is the color I decided to go with. No rhyme or reason, really. I just wanted to do something different. I've been really looking forward to using fall colors, and I thought this palette was so great for a fall type design. So I'm jumping the gun ever so slightly, and I'm gonna do a fall-ish type mani. I wanted something dark. I don't know. I was in a mood. You guys like that too? My mood determines quite a lot of what I do, especially nail designs. So I'm going to build up my nail with the color. It didn't come with a clear, and I'm not going to use one at all. I'm going to see how this goes just with their powder. So my first initial thought is there was no like eye irritation or nose burn with the dip base, none whatsoever. It was very kind on my nose and my eyes. I had no issues. The consistency reminded me a lot of triple vitamin. It's, you know, like a medium consistency. It didn't run everywhere. It wasn't goopy and thick. It actually laid really nice, and the application was super smooth. The powders themselves are very soft, and I don't know. I have no complaints. I have 0 complaints. I was extremely satisfied and happy with all these products. And even the gels, which you'll see coming up, I did something a little bit different. We'll see how it goes. So I'm just going to continue with my application. I'm going to build up my nails just so I have a little bit of an apex and they're not like super flat, because they are a little bit longer. What do you guys think of this nail shape, by the way? I am digging it. I love it so much. I am officially done with my summer semester. I start my fall semester towards the 3rd week of August, so I have some time to keep my claws on and film a little bit with different stuff with longer nails. I know you guys, a lot of you guys have been requesting that lately, so I'm super excited to do that for you. And I'm going to let you guys watch for just a little bit. I'm going to keep going with my dip application, and if I run into anything or if I find anything noteworthy, I'll jump back in and let you guys know. But stick around and I will be right back. Dip. I did an extra dip just because I wasn't using a dip of clear, and I wanted to make sure I had enough pigment and color to file and buff if I needed to and not worry about like patchiness or anything, and it worked out fine. But while I'm doing that, I wanted to just mention to you guys that I do have a live coming up. When I did my last live, I had a lot of requests for like a Manny and Mimosas like Sunday afternoon live. So that's what we're gonna do. And it's gonna be this coming weekend, Sunday the 16th, Manny's and Mimosas. If you guys are not over in my Facebook group, I would highly advise you jump in there, because I think it was just yesterday, I put a little post on my Facebook group, I might throw it on Instagram as well, of assumptions that you might have about me. And we're going to talk about some stuff. I'm literally terrified during our little Manny's and Mimosas type thing. So I will leave all the info for that in the box. The group is amazing. You guys have heard me rave about it for weeks now. So I would love to see you over there. So this is what the nails look like so far. So I'm going to go ahead and activate. And one thing that I will tell you, and I don't know what it was or why it was, but for some reason, the activator had an off scent to me. I can't pinpoint what it was. It worked perfectly fine. I had no issues with the product not curing, but the smell was definitely different. It wasn't like the typical activator scent. Clueless. I have no idea. I'm not a chemist. I'm not a professional, so I couldn't tell you what could have caused that or what ingredient may have made that happen, but I don't know. It worked fine. Zero complaints about how the product worked. I did my typical 2 layers of activator and everything cured perfectly. I'm not going to include filing and shaping in this video just for time's sake, but I will leave up here in the cards or in the box 2 videos. One is going to be my hand filing video, and the other is going to be a detailed e-filing video. So if you need filing help, definitely check those out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on a little bit of this Young Nails Protein Bond. I've been using this a lot lately over my dip nails for gel top coat. I just find that it really does a good job of preventing gel polish from peeling, and I really did not want this Manny to go anywhere. Trust me when you see it. I loved it. So I'm going to use that in hopes that it will, I don't know, give my gel top coat a little longevity maybe, and it worked. I didn't keep this Manny on for super long just because I used the peel base. I think I got maybe 4 days out of it before I lost a peely. I lost a peely doing laundry. It was terrible. I went in my dryer to pull out laundry to fold and stuff after I was done drying, and I heard the pop. You guys know what I'm talking about. I heard the pop, pulled my hand out of the dryer, and my index was missing, gone. And I did find it eventually, so I have the whole set. But it was like, oh no, my peely popped. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on a coat of the gel base, the Modelones Gel base, and I'm going to experiment a little bit. I've used a lot of blooming or blossom gel in the recent past, and someone told me that you can use the base to do the same thing, so I'm going to see if it's similar. So I'm going to put on the gel base, and then I'm going to take one of these gel polishes and do like a little squiggly swirl and see what it does. We're going to find out together. So I'm going to let you watch me do that, and I will be right back. So what are you guys thinking so far? Super cool, right? It's not like it's spread out a lot, like not as much as the blossom blooming whatever stuff that I've used in the past. I don't know, it just makes it all look so much more fluid and, like there's no texture to it. Because with gel, you have to cure it, and then I don't know, if you add stuff on top, it can get textured. And I did not cure the base before I put on the colored polish. I left everything uncured until I was done. And I am a little obsessed with this look. I love it so much. I really do. I can't wait to do more manis like this, especially coming up for fall and for the holidays. You guys are going to have to comment and let me know down below, what do you think of this? I don't know. I don't even want to call it a technique. I don't know what it is. It was just me playing with stuff. Yeah, so you're gonna have to let me know. And that color, I believe, was the Shiny Pearl. It's that swatch that's sitting right over there. From the minute I saw it, I knew I wanted to use it. I don't know what it was. It's like a gorgeous champagne-y type color. You guys know how I feel about my champagne. I'm bougie like that. So of course I had to have it on my nails. So this is the finished set. I'm gonna go in with my Candy Skincare Cuticle Oil like I always do. What do you think? I love it. I love, love, love it. And if you guys have tried using base gel and gel polish like this, definitely let me know. I don't know why I've never thought to do it. It just never occurred to me until I started playing with the Blossom Blooming Gel stuff. And you know what? Much more to come. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Be subscribed, like the video, comment down below best way to reach you. I'll pick a winner in a couple of days. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope to see you in my next vid. Love you, bye.